I actually started out actually the first job I started out. You know Ronnie Slope? Yes, Ronnie lived in our neighborhood.
Sure you had a chance to sit there remotely.
The thing is too, that article ran. Nice article. The article ran out in California, the San Diego newspaper.
MCMARTIN. We will resume our regular program from the train tracks.
He was an institution.
No, that's on the other side.
No doubt.
Oh yeah, just amazing. Truck from the railroad.
That side. I want to go across the Niagara Bridge because I sailed it. When I got to it, it was so foggy. Folks, there are a few facts about Lake Champlain, about 125 miles long. Above Lake Champlain, so they have an important motor.
We're going to have a break right here, right up here.
We're going to stop the train and you're going to get off one train right on the other.
Listen up, please. All pastures.
Oh, so they're not going to sit there.
Yeah, alcohol. Yeah, look at that.
Stands up here on the inside.
That tree in the background?
Yeah, it's a little past the car.
Canal onto the Hudson River down to They were not interested in running railroads. They were interested in Chicago, Cornelius Vanderbilt started his career building that into a full ferry business. He then got into steamboats. Now, there was a monopoly on steamboat business in New York.
Malicious intent. Yeah.
Please sit down and have...
Connecticut?
No.
Well, I'm from Pennsylvania, the Pocono region, Pennsylvania.
Okay, River, what but this is supposed to be a permanently signed finish.
Okay, gentlemen, show me.
Do
that.
Take off my goggles.
All right, get close. Yeah, you're underexposed. The background's right. The background's right. Poconos. Big little buffet. Look right up the lake. Get hard.
That is a brand new locomotive.
I do have them. I gotta just, I'm too lazy. I gotta walk back and get them.
Say something.
You had to see that
Great.
that morning, right? Oh, look at that shot.
Contrary to what all the fan mags
That's
tell
beautiful.
you. It wasn't the Echo side of 72? No. No. Hurricane
I'm fine, really.
69 is when
This is the first.
had no attitude.